Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable the PIN requirement for pairing when you are projecting this PC on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu, type in Settings, go ahead and open that up. Now you want to select the System tile. On the left side, select projecting to this PC, and if your device allowed for projecting to this PC and there were available options, it says require PIN for pairing. You just go ahead and set this to never if you want to turn that off, so you would not require PIN for pairing. Otherwise, you would set that to always, so you have a few different options there. So you could also set it to always or first time. So you could go set it to whatever your preference would be. And that's pretty much it, guys. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.